Thank you. You're doing great on time. Thank you again for coming. We just have one more. I would like to say, if you have not voted yet, please vote. If you're going to vote for Trump, you don't have to. You can stay home. Thank you so much to FEST for having us. This is our first time at FEST, and we're very grateful for the opportunity. Thank you, Jacob and the Bull, for hosting.
Yeah.
And thank you to all of our awesome volunteers that make this possible.
Yeah, I got it right here just so I'm crazy. Like I was like, oh, I should
We're Atomic Taurus.